up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Everything Deezy, back with another banger video. I'm reacting to the new NAV VLONE / ASAP Bari collab he dropped this year for his new album, Demons Protected by Angels. So what I'm gonna do is, I already unboxed it. As y'all can see, I already got the drip on. You know what I'm saying? Had to go ahead and rock it on. Y'all see the V on the back, man. So I already got it on, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll the unboxing clip for y'all. But before I do that, where the likes at, man? I wanna see the likes, come on. Come on now. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. And here we go. Alright guys, so these are both the shirts here together. We got the Demons Protected by Angels, the original black design. Shout out to NAV and VLONE once again, man. We got the nice V on the back. I really like how it looks. I like the fact that it is, you know, the quality is actually really impressive. I really like it a lot. It doesn't seem cheap at all. I definitely think this will have great resale value. And, you know, I did see some mixed reviews on this one, the second one that I got, which is the Demon Protected by Angels, because they said the front, it might be a little bit too busy for some people. I actually kind of like it because the back design on this one, I honestly think is next level. I mean, it's, if you guys know, this is NAV's chain, and we got the shirt here with the logo on the back. And I really do like it. Both of them are true to size, double XLs. I really like it. I got the black because when I wear my chain, I like my chain to hit a certain well. And I just think black, it gives you more of a slimmer look and it's nice. Can't get too dirty, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, we got fit one, you know what I'm saying? And then turn around and go the back V, fit number 2, and we got the back. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna go cop the NAV VLONE collab? Let me know what you think. If you know what I'm saying, I might take some price offers on these. Just let me know. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I do like these shirts and I do like the fit. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, let me know what y'all think, man. You know, it's VLONE. Bari been collabing with a lot of artists lately, and this is another of the last woman NAV I think did pretty well, and here we are back again with the fits again. So like I said, this is the NAV VLONE haul. Y'all already know, man.